Hi Kayla, this is Diane. I am going to try to walk you through how to sign in to Schoology. If you would type in schoology.ieminc.org/home, you will come to this site here that you see on my screen. And then you go to username or email, and what we're going to do is type in the information that I gave you earlier, and that's going to be K Decker 77980. And your password is going to be your 8-digit birthday. And so that's going to be 03052004. There were no capital letters in your name or anything else. And so then we just hit login. And there you go. You'll see your name right up here at Kayla Decker. And you'll go up here to courses, drawing section 2. And here you are. What you'll need to do first is complete this Schoology treasure hunt video, and that will help you to traverse through Schoology. And the video for the week, well, what you'll do first is you're going to go, you're going to do the Schoology treasure hunt, then you're going to go to week 1, January 23rd, and you just write in an introduction about yourself. You don't have to post a picture or anything unless you want to. And then you'll go to conferences in this, and there's a video. It's only good for 1 week. So you're going to have to approve, but I already did, and go to completed because the video has already been completed. And then you'll hit play. And they're only available for a week, and it's about an hour and a half. Russell says it's really kind of boring, but it won't always be like this. There's going to be interactive stuff. This is just the welcome to the class video. So anyways, let me know if you need help. Thanks. Have a good evening. Bye.